Welcome guys, I'm going to show you how to add music while making a status post on your WhatsApp. So WhatsApp now allows you to add music while making a post. Now you can go to the status area, click on add status, and then either you are adding a text or a voice note or whatever you're adding, you can now add music also. So let me assume this particular this particular image right here, right? And then you notice there is now an option right here to add music. So you can click on that and then you add any music based on what you see. You can clearly see there are so many music. You can select and add, but then you cannot actually upload a music manually. If you want to do that, you need to actually edit and upload and add the music to your edit. But if not, you can search any music or any artist. Let me say 2Face, and then the artist is going to display. So these are the artists and these are the songs from the artist that I just searched. So I can just select any one and then the music is going to be added. Click on done because I do not want to get the copyright, and then click on send. I do not want to get copyright in my video. That's why I quickly click on send. So the video is being uploaded and it has been uploaded. So this is actually how you add music to your status while uploading status on your WhatsApp. So I'm going to go ahead and delete this because I do not want that. I do not want to have any status on my WhatsApp. So hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching. I will see you guys on the next one.